Many Odoo clients ask me, why buy Connex when I can just build the integration myself? I've been in the software business since 2010, and I wrote the Connex Ecommerce software. I've been working with developers for many years, and I've had hundreds of support tickets and user interface testing. Let's go over the 5-year cost of ownership. Year 1, you pay your developer. He has to map the scope, custom code it, quality assurance testing, and user interface testing. That's your time to go back and forth and make sure the orders are syncing properly. My estimate is probably about $10,000 to maybe $20,000 a year. With Connex, the software has been pre-built. You pay a set fee to use it for the first year, along with a guided implementation to set it up and make sure it's working properly. You're going to save a great deal of time and headache using us over doing it yourself. Years 2 through 5, as Odoo is upgraded over time, you'll need to upgrade your plugin because the code of Odoo has changed, which means the code of your plugin has to change. You can see that you have to do many coding changes. It's probably $10,000 to $20,000 a year as an estimate. Along with Connex, on the other hand, we use the Odoo XML RPC API, which means that we're not really connected to Odoo as a regular plugin. Therefore, the upgrade should be a lot less work, but it's covered under your annual agreement with Connex. So you can see here there's roughly a 50% savings in 2 years, if you're assuming you use the lower end of the numbers. Platform API updates. Over time, these integrations like ShipStation make API updates. You may need to update your code too. That's not including the Odoo work. I remember doing for Amazon, for example, they made a really big update. I had to completely recode the Amazon integration. Whereas at Connex, all that's included. Workflow adjustments. You want to change a behavior. I want to change how my shipping methods map. I want to not bill customers for shipping. You need a programmer in there, and you're going to go back to him writing code, user interface testing and QA, time consuming and expensive. At Connex, we have a rules engine, it's all self-service. Emergency support. You're trying to ship orders, and all of a sudden your plugin breaks down because your products or customers don't match. You have to now rely on them to provide you with technical support, hourly developer rates. Orders are failing. How fast can they get back to you? Here at Connex, you get human readable error logs along with included technical support. I'll give you an example here at Connex. Go to sync activity. We tell you that an order failed to sync because of a bad address, and we will tell you that orders are syncing. You will get a human readable log that you can troubleshoot, whereas many of these plugins don't have that. Your 5-year estimated cost with Connex is somewhere in this area. But you can see where their software is variable. It could be easily 2x. It could easily be 1.5x. For more information about our product, visit connexecommerce.com and click Speak with an Expert.